Good morning, world. Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. Hey, sorry. Come here. I was just trying to open the door. Come here. Hey. Hi, Nickel Bubba. Sub my toe. Got it. Didn't work. Ooh, a box. Gentle. Mount. Yeah. So anyway, start opening the box. Opening a box. We got BBs right here. What's this all about? My goodness. So there's a whole bag of BBs that are just open. Cool. Great. We'll put you back in there. Let's start with you though. Oh yeah. We got a belt. Cool. Ah! This is great, eh? Let's put the belt on first. It's called the TMC Rigid Duty Shooter Belt. So it's not going anywhere. But it's supposed to go into there like that. See? And that happens. It's a very tight fit. Like a very tight fit. Ish. Does it look okay? Oh, it's raining. Great. Anyway, we'll just keep doing the video. So far, we got BBs in the box. We got a belt that we don't know how to work, but it's comfortable because when you sit down, that 1.5, since it's thinner, it doesn't get in the way. A new battery. Titan battery. These are really popular right now. These are the lithium ion batteries. So they don't have any memory to them. They don't, they're superior supposedly to LiPo and the just regular style. Oh my goodness. We'll be okay. So yeah, nice lithium. Let's see if it fits in there. Turns out the Titan 7.4 does not fit very naturally in here. Doesn't stay up on its own. Oh, early morning coffee buzz. Am I right? And a new battery charger, because I needed a new battery charger. So we got this nice wall charger hooking up to the battery charger, and supposedly this is a nicer battery charger. Has three different connectors instead of just two. So you got the 7.4, the 11.1, and then you got the, I believe, the 14 volt batteries as well. So this thing can charge any of those. It can charge both LiPo and lithium batteries, excuse me, and gettitanpower.com. There's a website on the back. See, this is cool. So we got this right here. So this is what I was talking about on the back. That's what I was reading out. Gives you all, I like that. That's cool. Up to here. It says all first. 11.9. Awesome. It's charging your discharge. So let's see what we got here. We have 11.1, L3, 3.2, 9.6. Yeah, so it's telling you the cells is 1, 2, and then 3. Leaning on my gun. Haha, new iPro. It was 18. Now I only hope this is going to be certified for my fields. Yeah, so these are like skiing glasses, but these are like overall protective glasses. They're 2-coated, 2 layers of glass, So that usually means they're not gonna fog. You know about the Titan charger, you know about the Titan battery, you know about this helmet. This helmet, by the way, this is a Matrix helmet. This is their professional grade Airsoft IBH helmet. Wide, because I got a wide head. Yeah, these are the Spy Optic goggles. ANSI. Spy Shield ANSI ANSI Z871 goggles. This next thing is going to be the Rag full rag. Yeah, it says Rag right here on the packaging. You could look them up on Facebook, facebook.com, Rag. I think they're kind of like going for a play on words, like hoorah. Does it fit over the helmet? No, it doesn't. Put you right there. Cool. Let's see if I can fix this. How do I look? Do I look official or not? Because I think I look official. Cool. How tactical can you be right now? I mean, like, come at me. Just kidding. Haha. These are new. A lot of this stuff is new. Let's open this up. These are the Ares mags. So some people don't like Ares, some people do. When it comes to the guns, they work pretty well. The Ares rifles, they actually work really well. As far as teching goes, a lot of techs ban them from their shop. It's true, because they're hard to work on, I guess. This isn't an Ares gun. It's an Ares mag. So these are fully see-through, clear Ares mags, and wow, they feel amazing. This is actually for this. So you completely see through it. And actually it looks okay on there. Good looking mag, actually. They're mid-cap 140 round BBs. They're called the Mag B004 TP. TP. What do we got here? Oh, this is the Next Level Tactical. Okay, this is Next Level Tactical. This works along with that, so that's why I left it on the table. So we can go ahead and take our belt and put it through. Yeah, it goes like this. Da da da, da 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 da, da 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 da. That's how you roll in the field, everybody. You just bring a box of mags, you put it on the table, and after you're done, drop it here, grab another box, go here, grab another box, 2 bags to dump in. Not the greatest dump pouch in the world, but I guess it's gonna do. For maybe that's why it was only $10. Which is cool. It fits really like nice. This nice belt. This belt's growing on me. So let's remember the name of that belt. It's the AMC tactical shooter belt. So it's actually, this belt's growing on me because I'm never able to sit down with a belt. Usually it's too bulky. So 1.5 inch, just so you remember. But yeah, then we got our M4 mags right here that I just dumped into there from our M249. I feel really good about this. The vertical grip in here. Where are you? Comes with a nice little carrying case. That's cool. How do I open this? Okay, it just does something like that. Cool. Does it come with an Allen key? Nope, it doesn't. Oh, it's really light. Kind of a medium-sized grip. A green little team going on here. I think that looks good. LMG, CQB, lightweight LMG. Oh, it comes together so well. I love when a plan comes together. I'm trying to keep track. Woo! Wee! A new DEFCON tactical gear. It's by Echo One, product of Echo One. I don't know what's in this box, everybody. I'm just pulling it out as I go. Do I remind you of a successful YouTuber right now? I just need a beard. This is how put look at that. Yep. So there you go. PEW, pew pew, pew airsoft life. And we're gonna put it right here on the back of our helmet. I got some Oakleys. Size 11.5. Because boots usually run large. My first nicer pair of boots. It's proportional to my body, if you want to know. I have also a low profile barrel for this doohickey right here, and I wanted to put foam in it, and that's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Dang it. So yeah, some of you might not care about the Bible verse, but it's pretty cool. Cool words anyway. Is John 15:13. Greater love has no one than this, that a man lay down his life for his friends. I thought it was really cool, and it's gonna go on my LMG, and the whole thing is to support my team using an LMG, and that's why I thought it was pretty cool. And the wind just picked up, and I felt pretty I just thought it was pretty cool. You can't create moments like that. Okay, how do I put this back in? Came out so easy, but I can't go back in. I'm just kidding. Oh! Maybe it's lefty-loosey, just like, oh, it is. I bet you it's lefty-loosey on this side because that's positive threads, and then it's righty-tighty on this side because it's negative threads. I'm so smart. I mean, nothing gets by me. I'm wacky in the morning. All right, that's everything. Let me go show my mom, and we'll do more tactical rolls. Because I want to ask my mom a question. I'm going to ask her, do I look imposing? Because I was going for imposing.
At the gym downtown, and you can do your pictures of your sign. Are you filming? Did you?
Do I look imposing? Because I was going for imposing.
But because I am used to it, I'm like, oh my.
What's with the shoes?
Could you do something for YouTube?
Okay.
Haven't we all wanted to see our mom in our tactical gear?
No way.
Come on. This video has been a makeup as I go. Okay?
You want me to put all that on?
Yeah. It takes a second.
Next.
Okay, next. Yep.
Hair down. Okay. Eyes protected. Person, where are you? Get over here and help.
She needs help putting the belt on.
Person. Thank you. All right. Protecting my head. Ooh. Eyes protected, head gear, chest protected, gut protected. Got my stuff. Next.
Just the gun. That's all I got.
Yeah, baby.
Because we have to use other means to get our point across.
For the zombie apocalypse.
Yes, we are prepared for the zombie apocalypse. You messing with me? Did you throw out the trash? I'll throw out the trash.
Hi everybody, this brings us to the end of the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Sorry for not having my shirt on every now and then. This was just a record and go type of video. So I had a lot of fun with it. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Next on New Airsoft, don't forget tomorrow will be the Featherweight Part 2 review.
And make sure the inner barrel's out. So